What's up everyone, this is Shitish here from channel Technoholic Biker, and in this video I'm going to show you an unboxing and a review of these Boat PaceX 225 earphones. So let's get started. So first, as usual, let's start with the unboxing of the earphones. So currently in front of me I have the box of the Boat PaceX earphones, and this box is really compact and small in size. Basically it's of black color, and trust me, it looks really very premium. Talking about what we get on the box, on the top here we get a Boat plug into Nirvana branding. Here we get a label that the earphone is made up of polished metal. Here we get super extra bass, as this is a bass focused earphones. Here we get that the earphones has a 3.5mm gold plated jack. Here we get that the earphones have a tangle free cable, and earphones are tangle free because the cable is a flat cable. On the bottom we get a PaceX 225 branding, as these earphones are named as Boat PaceX 225. On the right side here we get a Boat plug into Nirvana branding. On the bottom we get the website name, which is boatlifestyle.com. On the back of the earphones box here we get again a Boat branding, super extra bass, 1-button microphone, flat tangle free cable, hands-free pickup end. Package contents are earphones of course and extra earbuds. And on the top here again we get a PaceX 225 branding. The box of the earphone really looks very pretty, and trust me, it's really very easy to carry in your pocket or in your bag. As now the box part is done, let's now unbox the earphones and take a look of what's inside. Let's unbox the earphones by opening these from here. So let me remove this part. So on the top here we get a Boat card. This card shows you all the details about the company, its sites, its social platforms, and that the product comes with 1 year of warranty. Next here we get the earphones itself, and nothing else is there in the box. Here we get with the earphones a package, and let's just keep it aside for a minute. Here we get the earphones. I've ordered a blue color. This is available in a lot of color options like the black one, the green one, the red one, and many other color options. Let me just quickly take out the earphones. So these are the Boat earphones. Also guys, if you're noticing a rise in the quality of this video, this is because I have shifted to a OnePlus 6 smartphone. Keeping that aside, let's come back to the earphones itself. So this is how the earphones look. This one is the blue color, and trust me, it looks really very premium. These earphones are also termed as tangle free, as this one here which we get is a flat cable and not a round cable, so it is expected not to give any tangles in the future. Coming to the total overall overview of the earphone, the length of the earphones is good enough for a normal usage. First of all, let's talk about the looks and the feel of the earphones. So here, as you saw on the box, this is polished metal. The looks of the earphones are really very premium. Here on these earbuds we get a Boat branding. Here is the ear tip. Then here we get the polished metal as you saw on the box. Then coming to the mic part, this is the part where we get the mic for these earphones. Here you can see a Boat branding, and on the back side of these we have the place for the mic. Then here again a Boat branding, and on the back you can see it's written plug into Nirvana. So coming to the point, the 3.5mm audio jack. So this is the 3.5mm audio jack. This is gold plated as we saw on the box of the earphones. So this also looks really very premium. Here we get a PaceX branding again. So the company has not left any place to post their brandings, which really looks very premium and gives a very good feel. Everywhere we can find Boat branding or PaceX branding or plug into Nirvana branding, and the font also is really very eye-catching and very pretty. So this is a really very nice gesture given by Boat to give their Boat branding everywhere on the looks of these earphones when we just see the earphones. So this gives a very very premium look to their earphones and makes it different from the others available out there in the market. Keeping the earphones aside for a minute, let's come to the packet which we get here extra with the earphones. So this is also a very nice gesture by the company Boat to give their customers an extra package full of extra additional earbuds and ear tips. So let's just take all of the contents out of what we get here in this package. So these are all of the content which we have here in the package. Coming to them one by one. First of all, this is a clipper. You can clip this on your earphones and then clip your earphones to your t-shirt or whatever you are wearing, and then your earphones will be very comfortable and they will not go anywhere. Second, here we get these premium earbuds. These are of different sizes for different people. You can pick the one which you like and one which is comfortable in your ears. Also, in this blue edition, we get these blue ear tips. As you can see, this is a combination of black and blue ear tips. It is black from outside and then blue from inside. So we get 4 of these blue ear tips, as you can just see. So as you guys can just see here, we get 6 of these blue and black tips here on my right side of my hand, as this is the blue version which I have ordered, so I get the black and blue color combination. So this means that I can change 3 different sizes in my earphones. On my right hand here I have 2 more pairs, as you can see. So this one is a normal black one, this is not in a blue and black texture. Let me take this also to the other hand. So here in total we get 10 earbuds, or we can say 10 ear tips. So this means we can change the earbuds in total 5 different sizes. So trust me on this is a very nice gesture shown by Boat to give 10 different sizes of earbuds, so you can adjust your earphones in 5 different types of way according to the size of your ears. Keeping all this aside, what we are now left with are these 2 ear hooks. So these are basically used in your ears so that your earphones don't fall off that easily. So what you have to just do is that you have to just plug them into your earphones, as I'll just do right now, and then your earphones will not go away anywhere. You have to just remove the earbud and then you have to just plug it in here in your earphones, and then just put your earbud back here again and you're ready to go. So as you can see here, now the earphones are ready to use with the ear hooks. These ear hooks are used so that the earphones can fit properly in your ear, because without these ear hooks currently, if you just jog around or run around or jump around with these earphones, they will definitely fall off. So you need to have this ear hook if you want to exercise or run or do some stuff like this, having these earphones on in your ears. So just put these ear hooks on and adjust your earphones into your ear so that you're ready to rock and do all the stuff. So now as the unboxing part was done, let's now come to the review of these earphones, as I have now tested these Boat PaySets 225 earphones and I'm ready to give my opinions on these earphones. First of all, in this review, let's talk about the design and the build quality of these Boat PaySets 225 earphones. As I said earlier also, I personally love the build quality and the feel of these earphones. So these earphones, trust me, look really very premium in terms of look and feel. Here we get the polished metal and all these brandings with this superb font style. All this, when this sum up, looks really very great and gives a very great look and feel. The build quality also is very good and not lets you down at all, and in this price point I cannot expect more. Second thing is the thing which matters the most to all of the people out there who are buying an earphone, which is the sound quality and the bass of these earphones. So let's come to the review of the sound quality and the bass of these Boat PaySets earphones. So the sound quality of these Boat earphones is really very good. The sound is very loud and very clear. I cannot say it's totally exceptional or something which you cannot get in the market anywhere out there, but the sound is really very loud and I loved the experience listening music in these earphones. Also, according to this price point, I cannot expect anything more. The highs and the lows are also very clear and the sound quality overall is very amazing. Third thing, let's come to the most important and the most exceptional feature in these earphones, which is the bass of these earphones. So the bass of these earphones is totally exceptional, something which you can find very few in the market out there. In this price point, the bass is totally exceptional and totally amazing. When you will just use the earphones, you will get to know that what I'm talking about. The bass of the earphones is very loud. I was not able to listen at full volume for more than around 10 minutes, and even 10 minutes of listening in full volume with these earphones made my ears pain, because the bass was so powerful that it became uncomfortable after some time. But that can be adjusted easily by lowering down the volume to around 75 or 80%, and then the volume level and then the bass level is totally very good, what the ears would like to listen to. But for people who are bass lovers, who want great bass in their earphones, this is the earphone for you guys. And at this price point, this bass was totally unexpected and something which I loved most in these earphones. The earphones live to its name, which is Boat Bassets 225, as the bass in these earphones is totally exceptional and something which no other competitor is able to provide in this price point currently in the market. Also, the flat cable or the tangle-free thing, which is a feature in these earphones, is not at all a gimmick. The earphones are really almost tangle-free and they do not tangle at all in the normal usage. The mic also is very perfect and amazing, and sound which comes to the other person when these earphones are plugged in and you're talking with the mic of these earphones is very clear. So guys, now let's talk about the most important point of these earphones, that is the price of these Boat Bassets 225 earphones. So guys, the price of these earphones currently on Amazon is around 549 rupees. All the buying links of all the colors and of these earphones will be in the description of the video below. But guys, you can also look out for those amazing flash sales which are there on Amazon sometimes, and in those flash sales you can grab these amazing pair of earbuds for around only 499 rupees. The only con which I found in the earphones currently is that the earphones are little bit heavy and sometimes they do fall off from your ear, but that problem can easily be fixed with the help of the ear hooks provided in the box. So guys, as almost all of the parts of the review are done, now let's come to the final overview or the final review of these earphones and my opinion whether I loved them or not. So guys, in my opinion, I totally love these Boat Bassets 225 earphones, as these are an amazing offering by the company Boat in this price point. The build quality and the feel is very premium and very impressive. The sound quality is very clear and very loud. The bass is totally exceptional and something which you cannot find in the market out there in this price point, and the price is only around 549 rupees or even 499 rupees in flash sales. So overall, in my review or in my opinion, these earphones are totally a bang for the buck, and I would like to give a thumbs up to these earphones and a thumbs up to Boats for giving this offering in this price range in the market. So guys, if you liked the video, then make sure that you hit the like button, and also please don't forget to subscribe to the channel because more such amazing technology and biking related content will be uploaded soon on my YouTube channel. This is Hitesh signing off, and hope to see you again in my next video.